This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account type and credentials because wrong account details cause most failures. Once done, open Outlook and go to File Account Settings to view accounts. This immediately shows connected profiles. Make sure Outlook is updated so settings pages match these instructions, and export any critical mail to a PSD to avoid loss. Now that prerequisites are complete and you can see the account list, proceed to verify server details for the specific account you need to fix. You now edit the account and inspect advanced settings because ports, encryption, and auth type determine connectivity. Open Change More settings, then Advanced and type the correct ports. IMAP typically uses 993 with SSL, SMTP 587 with TLS, so change them if needed. Next, on the Outgoing Server tab, select the proper authentication method. Providers increasingly require OAuth 2. Make sure root folder path is correct for IMAP accounts, and you finish by applying changes, restarting Outlook, and testing send/receive to confirm success. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account so Outlook rebuilds the OSD or reinitializes authentication tokens. This often clears corruption. Make sure folder subscriptions and sync settings are correct and set the intended account as default for new mail. If you still see errors, enable diagnostic logging or check credentials and network connectivity. These steps reveal authentication failures or server reachability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.